doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch you? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded, no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way you're still invited and I can't even lie to you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Oh, y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we.
Y'all, get into it. Get into this chestnut brown ombre coiled wig. The ends. Get into the ends. This is like my favorite part, the ends. So pretty. This is like the perfect color for winter, fall. Y'all know you get into those shades of brown or those auburn shades. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And you can just finger coil the ends. It's so pretty. Of course they come like this, but you can just finger curl them. Oh, and it's so full. It's so full. It's so fluffy. I put mousse on it just to see how it would take mousse. You know, most wigs get a little crunchy when you put mousse on them, but it's still so bouncy with the mousse. So I'm gonna let it dry, and I put a band on it just to melt the lace a little bit. I melted it with a little lace spray. Still glueless, still can take it off at the end of the night. But I'm gonna let this dry for about 15 minutes and I'll be back with the final look. She is all dry, still fluffy, still soft. I usually take my wigs off at night. I'm not even taking this wig off. Oh, let me take the band off. Let's see what this lace do. Get into this lace. What lace? Melted. This is their Ombre Chestnut Brown Burmese Curly with full finger ends wig, 7x5 lace closure. Get into it. Bye Bye Knots glueless human lace wig. 20-inch, and she is going for $129 right now on the site. So yeah, y'all head over to Beauty Forever and get this beautiful wig. Bye y'all.
Keep the snow white, I could buy it by the bundle. Stuff your cookies up before they crumble. Don't be acting like the Cardinals and gone.